I love this time of year when I'm starting seedlings and watching them take off in the greenhouse with the warmth and the light and the great soil. And I'm often asked, what am I using in my seed starting mix and then in the mix when I'm bumping up my seedlings that come into the greenhouse and they go into larger pots, just like this flat right here. Well, to start with on the seed starting mix, this is just ProMix BX, which is a peat-based product with some perlite in it and really nothing else as far as nutrients goes. But that's okay during the early phases, during the seed starting process for the first 3 or 4 weeks. But when they come out here and they're getting bumped up, they need some nutrients because they're ready to grow. The roots are out there looking for it. And so I need to give them something. And then, so when people want to know, the recipe list for what I use, they're surprised every time because it's not very exciting, but it is very effective. And that is I use Soil³ Veggie mix. And for these large tubs right here, I'll take a mini cube of this and I will just pour it in. So this is just really composted soil. And I will add this in. Soil³ products like this are a great amendment. And I will use almost a whole bag, not quite a whole bag, because with compost, a little bit goes a long way. And it just is so full of micronutrients that it doesn't take a lot. But I'll use about 80% of a bag like this, and then I have some left over for the next batch. But this gets mixed in with the ProMix, and people want to know what else I use, and there isn't anything because this is all I need. But the results I get, the time-tested results I get over the years has been amazing. And the plants are exactly where they need to be and the time they need to get there. They look healthy, they thrive, and many of my seedlings get put into other people's gardens. They come get my seedlings and they put them in their gardens and they keep coming back because of the quality of the results that they get. And I'd like to think, it's just what I did to make that happen. But the truth is, it's what's in the soil that makes that happen.